Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, beginning flute players. We're going to start this week with exercise 1. First, we have the treble clef. Everybody say treble clef. One more time, say treble clef. Treble clef is the clef that your instrument, the flute, is in. Next, we have our key signature. Everybody say key signature. One more time, say key signature. Now, your key signature is 2 flats. That means all B's and E's are flat. What does your key signature mean? All B's and E's are flat. One more time, what does it mean? Good, all B's and E's are flat. Now we're going to go to the time signature. We're in 4/4 time. The top 4 tells us there are 4 beats in a measure. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. One more time, what does the top number tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. Now what does the bottom 4 tell us? The bottom 4 tells us that the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time, what does the bottom 4 tell us? Good, the quarter note gets 1 beat. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to go over what the notes are, and then I'm going to clap and count each rhythm. Then you're going to practice on your own. Then we're going to do it together. Then you're going to do it on your own. So first up, we have a half note, then a quarter note. Then we have a quarter rest. A quarter rest, ladies and gentlemen, is 1 silent beat. Everyone say quarter rest, 1 silent beat. Good. How many silent beats is a quarter rest? 1 silent beat. Moving on. Now we have a half note, 2 quarter notes, and a whole note. Then we have 3 quarter notes and a quarter rest. So I'm going to clap it for you now. What's going to happen is you're going to listen to me, you're going to practice, we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it on your own. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Before you practice, a quick reminder. This is what a half note looks like. A half note is 2 beats. This is what a quarter note looks like. A quarter note is 1 beat. This is what a whole note looks like. A whole note is 4 beats. Go ahead and practice that on your own. All right, now let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? If you got most of it or all of it, give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. Congratulations. If not, it's okay. You just need more practice. And here's the cool thing about YouTube. You can always rewind. All right, now go ahead and try it on your own. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to go over the note names. Not the type of note, but the note names. If you need to review how to identify notes, go to Music with the Dunlops, our YouTube channel, find Lesson 1, and that will review how to identify the notes and what their names are. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the notes with you now. There's a half note D, a quarter note B flat. Remember, all B's are flat. So we have a half note D, a quarter note B flat, then a quarter rest, then a half note G, a quarter note E flat, because our key signature tells us that's E flat, then D, then a whole note C, a quarter note F, a quarter note D, and a quarter note B flat, and a quarter rest. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to say the note names, you're going to listen to me, then we're going to do it together, then you're going to do it on your own. D, B flat, G, E flat, D, C, F, D, B flat. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, B flat, G, E flat, D, C, F, D, B flat. Now try it on your own. All right, we're going to move on to exercise 2 now. Once again, we have our treble clef. What clef is that, everybody? Good, treble clef. Then we have our key signature, which is 2 flats, tells us all B's and E's are flat. What do the 2 flats tell us? All B's and E's are flat. One more time, what do the 2 flats tell us? Good, all B's and E's are flat. Now we go to the time signature. The top 4 tells us there are 4 beats in a measure. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. The bottom 4 tells us the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom number tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. So now, here's the rhythm. We have a whole note, a half rest. A half rest, ladies and gentlemen, is 2 silent beats. Everybody say half rest, 2 silent beats. How many silent beats is a half rest? 2 silent beats. One more time. How many silent beats is a half rest? 2 silent beats. So we have a half rest. Now we have 2 quarter notes, a half note, another half note, a quarter rest, a quarter note, a quarter note, and a quarter rest. I'm going to clap and count that, and then we're going to do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Go ahead and practice that. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Go ahead and try that on your own. All right, now we're going to go over the notes. So here we have a whole note D, a half rest, a quarter note G, a quarter note F, a half note F, a half note C, a quarter rest, a quarter note D, a quarter note B flat, and a quarter rest. So now I'm going to say the notes in rhythm, then you're going to listen to it, you're going to practice on your own, we're going to do it together, then you're going to do it on your own. D, G, F, F, C, D, B flat. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, G, F, F, C, D, B flat. All right, go ahead and try it on your own. All right, let's go ahead and move to exercise 3. This is the last exercise for this week. We have our treble clef here, our key signature, 2 flats. Which notes are flat? B and E are flat. Now we go to our time signature. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. Now let's look at the rhythm. We have a half note, 2 quarter notes, 2 more quarter notes, a half rest, which is 2 silent beats, a half note, a quarter rest, a half note, a quarter note, and a quarter rest. I'm going to clap and count the rhythm for you. Go ahead and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and try it on your own. All right, now let's go over the notes. We have a half note D, a quarter note D, a quarter note B flat, 2 quarter note Gs, a half rest, a half note C, a quarter note C, a quarter rest, a half note D, and a quarter note B flat, and a quarter rest. Now I'm going to say the notes in rhythm. D, D, B flat, G, G, C, C, D, B flat. All right, practice on your own. Now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, B flat, G, G, C, C, D, B flat. Now try it on your own. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get a chance to hear how it sounds on your instrument before you practice.
Today I'll be playing your flute exercises. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3.